Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my fourth installment of the Gundam Wing series. And this is the Endless Waltz version of the Master Grade Gundam Sandrock from Bandai. And yes, I find this kit very, it's much more appealing compared with the other four wing Gundam so far, since I already built the Gundam Shenlong, the heavy arms and the dead sight and even the wing. But this one here, the Sandrock, really blows my mind, and I really like the appearance of this kit and the color scheme for this kit. It's not that the common protagonist scheme of color patterns, because of I really like this gray here. It's like a bluish or ash blue gray, something like that, and this purplish gray scheme on the skirts, and the white and the yellow color here is really nice compared with the McDonald yellow color of most of the Gundam Master Grade kits, which is very shiny, just like this. I will show you this kind of McDonald yellow. So it's like this in the Shenlong here. So the color yellow for this Sandrock here is really nice. It's a bit hazy yellow, but it's good since the name is Sandrock, and this came from mostly in the desert part of the world, according to the story. So it really fits the place. So let's go with the other aesthetic of this kit. So the Sandrock here is not the same with the TV version, of course. Obviously, this is the manga version, and I find that the manga version, the Endless Waltz version, is sexy compared with the TV version. So I really like the appearance of the Sandrock here, and I really like this huge shuttle here. So the shuttle here is really cool, and it comes with the clear red blade, indicates the heated version of this blade here. But this blade here is really nice. It's a bit shiny gray in color, glossy gray, something like that. And the shield is really cool. It's like a viper head. Yep. Okay, so let's go with the articulation first. But before I go with the articulation, I need to remove the backpack here, because it really hits or impede the movement of the Sandrock. Okay, so let's go with the head. The head here is really nice. I really like the appearance of the head. It looks like the helmet for desert knights, Muslim knights, like that. So there, the head can rotate from side to side like that, but not 360 degrees because of this structure on the shoulder. You can look up and look up very very sage. Yes, the head tilted up is really exage, so it's perfect for flight mode like that. And it can look down like this. Okay. As you see, this is kind of, there's a hollow structure there. Okay, so yeah, it can be perfect for flight mode or flying pose like that. Okay, so the shoulder can rotate 360 degrees, and it can move forward or inward like that. Okay, so very cool for this is perfect for the shuttle handles or shuttle wielding pose, where the Sandrock can use some scissor-like slash, something like that. Okay, and the elbows can bend almost 360 degrees if I 180 degrees, I mean, if I will remove this Uzi here. And to be honest, I really like the weapon, the Uzi here. This Uzi is a bit unique for a Gundam or any mobile suit, because mostly there's this beam rifle, beam bazooka, or any beam thing, but this one is really cool. So it's like a Middle Eastern weapon. So there we got the Uzi. And the waist can rotate like that. There's no ab crunch, by the way. For most of the wing kits, there's no ab crunch. So there, it can rotate just like that. The side skirt can raise up to this far. The front skirt also can raise up to that far. The back skirts can move independently. Okay, just like that. And the legs can kick forward to this far, and it can kick backward up to that far. Okay. And the knees can bend double jointed, just like that. And the feet can swivel side to side, toe bend like that, toe extension, flexion like that. Okay. And for the weapons of the Sandrock are attached in the backpack, just like that. So the backpack here is really cool. It has 4 thrusters for mobility, and if you're going to remove the shuttles, you need to pull down the locks here, there, and you can remove this shuttle here like that. Okay, and there, it's now time to attach this to the back. Okay, so there, it's attached in the back. And again, the Uzi, of course, is the Uzi. It can be removed from the hands. Let's remove it. So by the way, I use the Dolin decal hands, and it's very nice because it makes the master grade more master grade because of the articulated fingers there. But how can we have him hold the shuttles? So there, by the way, I drilled holes on the handle for the Uzi to attach the peg. So the peg here is securely pinned on the hole. Let me remove this. Okay, and put back inside the hands. Okay, so the hands here. So now the peg is inside the hand. So the shuttle, first you need to rotate this part, the handle. There, you need to rotate it 80 degrees. And there, what I'm talking about, the hole that I drilled on the handle to fit the peg that is in the Dolin hands. So there, you can put it in the hands and the peg. Okay, so there it can hold now the shuttle. And the other hand, let's remove first the shield. So the shield here, oops. Okay. So the shoulder armor keeps on bumping the structure for the backpack, and keeps on pushing it away. Okay, so there we go. And the other one, do the same. Need to rotate that, and there I already drilled a hole on the handle. So let's insert it inside the Dolin decal hand. Okay, just like that, and there we go. You can now hold the shuttles properly. So there, it's very nice. I really like the shuttle. It's a huge blade. So it's like a scimitar from the Middle East weapon, ancient Middle East. So it's like the scimitar there. Okay, so now Sandrock can wield it just fine like this, and the shield there, can attach the shield there just like this. Okay, and the gun, the Uzi rifle, can actually this part here is really tight. Okay, by the way, the Uzi, you can make this I forgot what it's called, but I think this is the arm holster. I don't know, not expert in guns. And the handle, by the way, this is very tight. I'm so afraid on bending it because I might break the peg. There's a peg there. I might break those peg, but for this demonstration I will utilize it just like this. Okay, you can fold that and put it on the back just like this. There's a peg here and there's a slot on the butt like that, so you can place the Uzi there, and there, it's secure on the back. And so the Sandrock is now wielding the heat shuttles. Okay, so let's compare it with the size of other wing kits. I got here the Shenlong. So the Shenlong is, wing kits, they are identical in height, so they're of the same height. And let's compare it with the Universal Century Master Grade Gundam ARC-78. So ARC-78 here is taller, of course. It's 18 centimeters, and this one is about 17 centimeters or 17.5 or 16.5, I think. So UC Century kits are taller than the wing kits. So again, thank you so much for watching this quick review of the Gundam Sandrock EW version, or the Endless Waltz version from the Gundam Wing. And I really like it. I really like Gundam Sandrock. So thank you so much. It's Cameraman of Cameraman Gunpla Studios saying goodbye. God bless. Take care.